Enter your credentials to access usBIM.codesign AI. Create a new proposal. Import the base image. Select Custom Furnishing as the proposal mode. Upload the first furniture image to be inserted. Highlight only the furniture element to be added to the project in the image. Add additional furniture images. Highlight only the furniture element to be inserted in the project in the image. Add more furniture images. Click Process New Image. Obtain a design proposal with the selected furnishings. You can always add new furniture items. Reprocess the image to add further details to the design.